Do you need an extra source of income? Don't you know how to make passive income online? If no, stick around, because in this video we will unveil concepts you need to generate passive income, as well as some ideas on how you can make passive income online. Many people think of passive income as money made while they sleep. While there is truth in that statement, as discussed later in this video, it does not mean you don't have to do anything to get this passive income stream flowing or to keep it running. Typically, passive income comes as a reward from your previous efforts, commitments, or investments that keep generating value without additional effort by you. Sounds amazing? Great. Make sure you watch until the end to get all the tips about passive income and how to generate it. Let's cover some fundamentals first. Passive income frees up your time. In our culture, we place a significant premium on the passage of time. Time, in contrast to money, is non-renewable and limited. Therefore, if you can decouple generating value for others from your time, you can not only make money while you sleep or do other fun activities, but you can also repeat this process to multiply your income. While passive income won't completely untether you from the need to work and pay the bills, passive income will give you much more leeway to do the activities you enjoy. Or you can repeat the value generation process to generate multiple passive income streams that are independent of your time. Passive income allows you to pursue your passions. Time independence allows for greater personal freedom. Passive income can free up time and energy to focus on things that truly matter to you, like your health, your family, starting another business, or other meaningful activities. All these ventures can lead to a happier and more fulfilling life. To put it another way, having passive income streams enables you to forge more profound and meaningful bonds with the people and the world around you, eventually leaving a legacy. Passive income provides financial stability. In addition to allowing for financial development and the possibility of an early and comfortable retirement, the financial stability provided by passive income can help you plan your retirement more confidently. Gaining financial clarity and moving swiftly towards your goals is possible when you prioritize wealth creation over just preserving your current living standard. Passive income allows you to work from anywhere. Working remotely grants you independence from the location confines of traditional employment. The combination of freedom over time and location while still making money sounds like a dream for most, but is the daily reality for others. And you can achieve this dream too when you put your mind to it and take massive action. Being liberated from your job duties, schedules, and confines of your work location, you can devote your time and focus to the activities that bring you joy without adjusting your current standard of living. I hope you're enjoying the video. Before we get into some passive income ideas, please ensure you have clicked the like and subscribe buttons. Also, please turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. 7 online passive income ideas. If you're interested in making more money online, keep watching as we present 7 top online passive income ideas to fuel your freedom hustle. 1. Start a dropshipping store. When done right, dropshipping may be a highly lucrative passive revenue stream. Dropshipping makes it easy to sell in-demand items from online stores like AliExpress to buyers worldwide. Thanks to dropshipping, you can stock your online store with products from various industries such as fashion, home decor, and cosmetics. Dropshipping is appealing since it allows you to set your prices while simultaneously creating your own business. Unlike other passive income ideas, dropshipping gives you the most leeway and profit margin. You can make money with dropshipping because, at its core, you provide value to the customer by providing them with exciting products at a reasonable price that they would otherwise not have access to. You may start your own dropshipping business as soon as you sign up for an online store, such as Shopify. Installing one of these dropshipping applications after setting up an online shop is a great way to quickly and easily identify great things to sell. Take note that buying wholesale products to sell on your site is a close option to operating a dropshipping store, with much more control over product selection and quality. One can find local US-based suppliers through a wholesale marketplace, buy items at wholesale costs, and resell them to a target audience. Finding wholesalers prepared to ship products straight to the clients enables you to combine this strategy with dropshipping. Number 2, create and sell online courses. Creating and marketing online courses can be a terrific source of passive income if you are an expert in a specific sector. Many people are eager to pay for your courses, whether you sell them on your website or through an online learning platform like Udemy or Skillshare. You can make money by selling information products because at its core, you provide value to the customer by providing content that helps them solve a problem or learn a new skill that would have otherwise cost them much time and effort to do themselves. Naturally, selling your course on services like Udemy or Skillshare simplifies everything, but there may be times when they offer your course for sale at a significantly reduced price, cutting your passive income stream. In contrast, when you sell on your own website, you get to choose the prices and you aren't forced to lower your margins because competitors offer lower prices. Let us know down in the comments comments if you'd like us to make a video about creating and selling online courses, other topics from this list, or about making money in general. Number 3, create a print-on-demand store. Since e-commerce is a common strategy for earning money while you sleep, it's only fair to highlight the benefits of print-on-demand. Using print-on-demand services, you can put your original designs on a wide variety of merchandise, including t-shirts, clothes, mugs, canvases, phone covers, bags, and more. The fact that you can make things under your own brand name using this method is a definite plus, especially if you are an influencer or are planning to become one. The only catch might be that you'll need some proficiency in graphic design, unless you can find an affordable and talented freelancer to do the design work for you. Remember, your sales are most likely to skyrocket if you generate true value for the customer, such as creating a genuinely exceptional layout that deeply resonates with them. In addition, there isn't much competition in the market because other labels aren't likely to sell identical designs. Don't delay getting started with Shopify linked with a print-on-demand store. 4. Invest in stocks. Considering the world's wealthiest individuals, it is safe to assume that stock market gains have contributed significantly to their vast fortunes. The act of holding growth in dividend stocks itself is very passive, but figuring out what to buy will take effort, especially for research. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages daily, but they aren't from your typical mystery novel. Nope. He is an avid reader of annual reports for many companies. Doing so and enhancing his knowledge of business operations has helped him become a more informed stock investor. With this strategy, the value is generated by being more knowledgeable than your competitors and investing in companies early before they grow. The value of your time at a 9-to-5 work may not compare to the passive income you can make through stock investments, especially if you have compound interest working for you. If you're interested in business and economics news and are knowledgeable about the state of numerous markets and industries, you might want to consider this passive income opportunity. Number 5, become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is another excellent way to earn money without actively doing very much once a campaign is running profitably. Almost every major company offers an affiliate program, allowing you to make money from promoting their products and services. Here, the value you provide for this partner as affiliate marketer depends on your ability to generate leads, sales, or customers' actions. There is a catch, however. You only earn a fraction of the actual sale since you're endorsing someone else's product or service, and not your own. Before beginning an affiliate marketing campaign, you must also conduct thorough background research about the product as well as the target audience to find the right angle and language to promote your product. In the end, you must be able to reach and persuade the right target audience to take action, either through your network, your followers, or through paid advertisements. Blogging is the most cost-effective approach to getting consistent affiliate commissions without spending money on ads. 6. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube is a fantastic source for making money passively. Advertisers and sponsors are willing to pay substantial amounts for exposure to their target audiences. Consequently, ads and sponsored content can generate you a steady passive income from your YouTube channel. A successful YouTube channel is the result of regular content production over the long term. Every video you share should be high quality, desirable, and engaging. However, it takes time, sometimes even years, to build up a channel and passive income stream to a size that can replace a regular 9-to-5 income. If you have other commitments and know that you'll be unable to create and upload videos regularly, you can hire a team to assist you, but this approach comes with an upfront cost. In the end, your hard work will have a high chance of yielding passive income because you provide value to the viewer watching your videos and to the advertiser who can reach their target audience. Number 7, write an ebook. The popularity of ebooks skyrocketed in 2010 and hasn't slowed down much since then. If you have an extensive knowledge of a specialized subject, you can consider writing an ebook and making it available online. If you feel like you need assistance with the writing or editing process, you can easily find help online. Professional writers and editors may be discovered quickly and easily through platforms like Upwork. If you want your manuscript to be seen and read by others, you'll need to publish it on a platform like Amazon Kindle. However, you should do some promotional efforts to reach the widest potential audience. Most ebook authors make their living off page views and Kindle sales once they've established themselves in the market. In all, if you manage to separate the value for the customer from your personal time and scale up the process, you have a great chance of growing passive income streams that can supplement your lifestyle or lead to early retirement. Consider rewatching this video to ensure you caught all the tips. Let us know in the comments which method you like the most and which other video topics you'd like us to cover. Also, if you liked this video, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.